When we talk about saving the earth, planting trees is often the first idea that comes to mind. It sounds simple, positive, and easy to support. But the environmental problems we face today are much bigger than they seem. Planting trees is important, but it cannot fix everything. The damage to our planet is not only caused by deforestation, but also by harmful systems and daily human activities. First, the amount of carbon emissions produced from fossil fuels is far greater and much faster than what trees can absorb. Every day, factories, vehicles, and power plants burn coal, oil, and gas to produce energy. This releases huge amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC), human activities, especially burning fossil fuels, are the main cause of global warming. Trees can absorb carbon dioxide, but they need many years to grow and store it. Meanwhile, emissions continue to increase every single day. This difference in speed and scale shows that planting trees alone cannot keep up with the climate crisis.
Second, planting trees doesn't always mean we are truly fixing nature. Some tree planting programs focus more on the number of trees planted rather than the quality of the forest itself. For example, sometimes only one type of tree is planted in a large area. While it may look green and healthy from the outside, it doesn't support as many animals and plants as a natural forest would. A real forest is full of different kinds of trees, plants, insects, and animals that depend on each other. If we only focus on planting trees without proper care and planning, many of them may not survive. That is why protecting the forest we already have is often more important than simply planting new ones. Third, the environmental crisis is closely related to the way we live every day. Many people rely on products that are made quickly and cheaply, which often harms the environment. We use too much plastic, waste too much food, and depend heavily on fossil fuels for transportation and electricity. Even if we plant millions of trees, these harmful habits will continue to damage the planet. To truly protect the earth, we need to change our lifestyle, reduce waste, and use cleaner energy, and be more responsible customer.
In conclusion, planting trees is a meaningful and beneficial action, but it's not a complete solution to this current environmental crisis. High carbon emissions, improper forest management, and a sustainable lifestyle all contribute to the destruction of your planet. While environmental protection requires broader efforts, including reducing pollution, preserving natural ecosystem, and changing daily habits. Therefore, while tree planting shall continue, it must be accompanied by responsible action and systemic change to truly protect the earth in the future.